Morning guys, June 16, 2023. This one I got a call from a young fellow. I guess his mother and father have a house and the air conditioner is not working. The outside unit's not running. Says the fan's running inside, but the outside unit don't run. He wants to know if I can go by there and see if I can fix it for him. So I'm going there now and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. You don't know what you're going to run into. It might be an old unit, completely out of gas. I mean, it could be anything. I talked to him earlier this morning, I believe, or yesterday. Well, yesterday I talked to him and I told him to shut it off. A lot of times these people, you know, you tell them to shut it off and they don't shut it off. They just leave the flipping thing there cooking. It's like a condenser fan that's bad. I mean, you could burn the flipping unit up. But don't go off on thermal overload or something. I mean, you could have serious issues. So you're always best to just shut it off if it's not working. So try to get you some shots when I get over there. Alright, I'll make sure that there's a good filter in there. Where's the thermostat?
Over there. Change for this one.
Have you changed the batteries?
Yes.
Okay. I got it set for cooling. Fan automatic was set for way low. Alright, so I heard the fan come on.
The fan, yeah.
I'm going to put that on 60 because it's definitely... I want to put that on 70. It's hot in here.
It's hot.
Yeah, let's see. What's it? And I'll check the unit outside. I want to put it on cooling. We'll put it on 76 in here. I set it for 70. We'll check the outside unit.
Okay.
We know the fan's running because I could hear it.
Yeah,
the fan's running. So let me check the outside unit, ma'am.
Okay. Come on.
We know the fan's running.
My yard is a mess because my husband broke both legs.
Oh my God.
We go in the tree to cut the bench.
Broke both legs.
Both legs.
Wow. That's not good.
So this is a mess. This used to be so beautiful. It
All right.
was flowers and everything, but no, it's a mess.
It's just humming. Just humming away. Where's the disconnect? Wow, way over there. Hear the contact though, don't sound good.
Excuse me?
No, I'm just talking to myself. You ever do that?
I do. Yeah.
Hopefully we can fix it for you.
I hope so.
What's the dog's name?
Precious.
Francis?
Precious, Faith, and Hope.
You got 3 of them.
Yeah. And mother is here for a while.
Wow.
Another one. That's not so alright.
The contactor looks cooked. It's not pulled in. Yeah, the contactor's cooked. See, when I just pushed it and it went in?
Yeah.
We got a bad contactor there. It was out. And I just pushed it in. It was making all that noise. You can see it's all fried. See, it's all black in there?
Yeah.
No good. We're going to change that. Now, it should start now that I pushed it in. We'll see if it starts. But it was out. And if it starts when I plug that in, we're going to have to change this contactor. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Because it wasn't pulling in. I pushed it in by hand.
Do whatever you
Let's see. Let's see if it starts. Probably the contactor wasn't in. Just humming and it was out. We're gonna plug this in. We'll see if it starts. Okay. Hopefully I don't get bit by no snakes. What the hell's all this passageway in here?
No snakes.
No snakes?
not tell me that snakes. I hate snakes.
Okay? We gotta change that contactor. Yeah, it worked. When I came here, it had power going to it, but the contactor didn't pull in. And you could smell it's burnt.
Yes.
I pushed it in, it went in by hand. So when I changed that, that's what the issue is. Does that make sense to you?
I guess.
Huh?
I guess. I don't know this.
Alright, so I got the power off so I could work on that unit. We'll shut it off inside and change the contactor. No big deal.
Okay.
This dog's okay, he's not gonna bite me. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. We'll fix it. Alright, so we shut this off. Alright, got a bad contactor there, Miss Molly. And I got contactors here. That should be a single pole. Single pole. 220. 24 volt. That's the one we need. Miss Molly! Hello there, Miss Molly. That's the one we need. Alright, I'll be right back, Molly. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Never a dull moment. I got these, they seem pretty good, too. Alright, so I got the low voltage should be off now. 2 orange wires. We know the power's off because I got it disconnected. The smell was burnt. It's a low voltage. Never a dull moment. All I can say. So the 220 coming in. I don't know why the disconnect so far, but it is what it is. Wow. This fucking thing is really a problem. Get the heavy. Put the heavy hitter on there. I could smell the contactors. She's fried toast. And you can see it's all white and puffy on the side here. I'm going to show it to you when I get it out. It's just cooked. Fried chicken, Mom. Fried chicken. Yo. Fried chicken. Hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. Look at it, how it's all white and cooked and nasty. Look at that, see it? The smell, it's all flipping burnt. And then here's burnt. Let's put a new one. Alright, so where's the band? The band is on that side. Never a dull moment. All I could say. Never a dull moment. What the hell is that shit making noise? Wind chimes. Wind chimes from hell. Wind chimes from hell, Mama. Alright. So I got the two red. The red goes there. usually the common. The red's usually the common. That goes the common. That goes up to the contact. Yeah, the red goes to the common. And then the black, the other side of the 220, goes on the other side of the. Wow, I can smell that flipping thing. Don't smell good. Black goes on the other side like that. And I just have to bring my two lines in the bottom there. One in here. You want to make sure you shut the thermostat off, because if not, these will be live and you could arc out the low voltage, because one's a common but one's a live. That's why you shut the thermostat off. Alright, so we'll make sure these are tight. I don't want to kill it, huh? And these other ones want to be tight. Make sure they're tight, snug. Not using the top ones, but on this here, I'm going to put one on one side and one on the other side. You don't want to put them both together. I've seen where they're both put both on the same side. It's a direct short. So now it should work. This thing's cooked. I wonder what the amps are on it. Just for shits and giggles. With 12 amps, which is a little on the low side, but it's not like 2 or 3 would be tripping the breaker. It's at 12. Should be at 14. But she's not pulling in, because when I came here it was humming, but it wasn't pulled in. As soon as I pushed it in by hand, she pulled in. Let's try it. It's not going to fire up because I got the thermostat off. I'll put this in and then go turn the thermostat on, and she should fire. Now we should have power. Turn the thermostat on, probably on a delay, a 5-minute delay. Alright, so we got that back together. We'll go turn the thermostat on, and she should fire. It should do it. It should be on a delay. Oh, she kicked right in. Cool on. Fan automatic. Can't be without air conditioning now. It's getting too hot. Huh?
It's too hot.
Yeah, it's too hot. Oh yeah, she's coming out nice and toasty here. She's a runner. Stop a Goodman mount. Not stop a Goodman. Nice and warm here. Look at it sweating already. See it? She's cold.